Whale, one of the founders of Wikipedia, the online encyclopedia that allows anyone to contribute articles and has fostered a whole new culture of collaboration on the net.
Well, thanks for joining us. Thanks for having me. Let's talk first of all about Wikipedia, the internet in general, and information on the internet. Is it possible for it to be getting too big, too much information out there now, and too much unreliable information, I guess?
No, I don't think so. One of the interesting things about Wikipedia and the function that it plays, particularly in the developed world or the languages of the developed world, is that it is a condensation. It's the essential summary of what you want to know, rather than being sort of the infinite pages of the internet. But it's actually interesting in many other languages, Wikipedia is playing a role where, for many people, it's the first time that the information is actually being written in their language. So I think it's different in different places.
That's been a big concern, right? I mean, my daughter's in high school. She's been told by her teacher she can't cite Wikipedia as a source because it's unreliable. And I wonder how Wikipedia addresses that and where that sort of leads it going forward.
Our goal is always to be
Yes?
better quality, the highest possible quality. But we're not really concerned about this issue of whether or not people think it's okay to cite Wikipedia, because I don't think